Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Adobe Photoshop for print-ready exports, detailed guide step-by-step clearly. Start by ensuring you have Adobe Photoshop installed on your computer. Launch Adobe Photoshop by double-clicking the icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu or Applications folder. Once Photoshop is open, create a new document or open an existing project you wish to work on. To prepare your design for print, navigate to the top menu and click on Image. From the drop-down menu, select Image Size to adjust your document's resolution. In the Image Size dialog box, ensure that the resolution is set to 300 pixels per inch for high-quality prints. Next, set the document size according to your print specifications, ensuring the width and height are correctly defined. Click OK to apply the changes to your document. Now, it's time to check the color mode of your document. Go to the top menu again and click on Image, then hover over Mode. Ensure that CMYK color is selected, as this is the preferred color mode for print. If it is not selected, click on it to convert your document. After setting the color mode, you should review your layers for any transparency issues. Flatten any layers if necessary by going to Layer in the top menu and selecting Flatten Image. Next, it's important to add bleed to your document to ensure there are no white edges when printed. In your document, create a rectangular border that extends slightly outside the canvas. Now, save your file to prepare it for export. Go to the top menu and click on File, then select Save As. Choose a format compatible for print, such as TIFF or PDF. Make sure to select the appropriate settings for your save options, including maximum quality settings if applicable. After saving, you can proceed to export your document for printing. Click on File again, and select Export, then choose Export As. In the Export options, ensure you select the correct file format and quality presets for printing. Adjust any additional settings as needed, and then click Export to save the final version of your file. Your document is now ready for print and you can proceed to send it to your printing service. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.